Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to HengTech. Today, I want to talk about LED panels because my Samsung recently developed an issue where it had like a black horizontal line across the screen. And this issue is caused by the side COF, chip on flexi. That's what a COF is called. And the the issue is basically caused by the COF burning, where it goes into the LED screen. It burns there and then it creates that black line across the screen. Let me show you the black line that I'm talking about. So that's the black line that it created because the COF, it has COFs on either side of the screen, left and right side COFs. Mine has 8 on each side. And this is basically what the COF looks like. And this COF, you can fix it, but the fix is really difficult to do. And then you should have the right tools because you're supposed to scratch open that little dots that you see, and you're supposed to measure voltage and yada, whatever. So my fix basically happened by accident. I was like 2 weeks into the fix and I couldn't figure it out. And I decided to myself, I'm just gonna tear off one of these COFs. If my and then my panel would be broken. It would be beyond repair if I just tear off one of these COFs because I know myself I'm not gonna stop until it's finished. So I might as well just break it. Then I know I'm not gonna come back to the screen. And I tore off one of the COFs and it worked. It fixed my screen. Afterwards, I went and did a little bit of research, and I saw that that's actually a thing. There's like 1 or 2 videos of Pakistan guys that tear off the COF and then it takes away the black line. Um, and this is what happens. This is what happened when I tore off my side COF. Let me show you. I forgot to make a video and I made it after the fact. As you can see, it's not really that clear, but there's a black line across the screen. And there I go. That's one of the COFs. And basically, I'm just ripping it off. And as you can see, as I'm tearing it off, the display goes clear. The black screen disappears. So that's how I fixed my panel. And there's still a lot of side COFs. You must tear off all 8 or all 7 or all 6, just depending on how much you have on that side. The side that's causing the issue. You should tear off all of them. That's one COF that I tore off. And there's another COF. Let me show you what happens as I tear it off. The black line goes away. So I can confirm that it actually works. There's free COFs. I wanted to leave those free COFs in place, seeing that they are not causing an issue or not causing black lines. And then a little voice spoke to me and said, create a white backdrop. I went into Paint, created a white backdrop, and displayed it on the TV, on the television. And I saw that the side where the places where I removed the COFs is actually white. Where those free side COFs is the free side COFs that I wanted to leave because they didn't cause any issues. They were actually gray where those free COFs were. And beyond that, where I tore them off, it was white. So to balance everything out, I tore off each and every one of the side COFs. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. There you have it. My display is fixed. Samsung basically told me that it's unfixable. I called a few repair shops in Windhoek and they told me that it's unfixable, that you can't fix it. You should take the guy actually said this to me. Take the TV and take it to your trash bin and then just dump it into your trash bin. This is a fix that I found by accident. I wanted to break my television completely so that I don't go back to trying fixing it again. So there you have it, guys. Tearing off the cuff actually works. Guys, thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you. Like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I hope that you can fix your panel. Thank you.